And please tap in.
21 all. Traveling violation.
Nice save, Danny. That's a
21 all. Reyes, so good. Kaduday, so good. Short. There number.
Personal foul, jersey number 22.
One out of two. 22-21. 1 point lead by Balabago.
Baseline jumper, no good. Out of foul.
Turnover. Let's try short. Malion. Montado.
10 to shoot.
So good.
Traveling
Traveling
violation.
violation. Malion. Steal. Reyes.
6 minutes
Lay up
30.
by Janry Reyes. 23-22. Rin ang paano?
Ten to shoot.
Ano dahil?
nice screen by SK Sherman. 2 points.
Yan out. Ano dahil? Traveling violation. Kiransky. For 3 short. Rebound by Miranda. JB Canonsod. Basket by JB
SK Sherman ako.
For 3, no good.
Running score 26.
Rush and kick, but there's a position.
In and out. Malion.
Foul.
26-23 in favor of Balabago. Reyes long three. Basket by Henry Reyes on the perimeter.
Reyes.
26 all.
Score now is 26 all.
Kalangsod still by Reyes.
Steal. Reyes with the ball. Pass to SK Kagawad. 2 points.
By Superal. 28-26. Change favor to Lanet.
With the ball. Pagkasabasahan, pass to Agoseos. Agoseos, punang double right. Yung nagalipas sa Kaliganunay, 2 points.
2 points by Ganulay. 28 all.
Puntado. Reading the ball.
3 minutes 45.
Same ball position. Reyes for 3 again.
Good. Hakot Salem. With 3. Basket by Hakot Salem. 31-28. Balik sa Balabago ang Manse. Tado.
Montado. Floater.
Good. Magno easy layup by Magno. JP Magno. 33-28. Keransky. Basket by Superal.
By jersey number 27.
33-31. Ako Salem. To Celestial.
Nice passing movement by Team Balabago.
Remaining time 2 minutes 34.
Oh, good.
Two points.
Up by
Baluan rin.
Pantado. 33-35.
2 minutes 10.
Rebound by Malion. Liberal.
Ako na ang bola. Side stick ball.
2 minutes.
Wala pa bola.
1 minute 50 seconds.
Basket and one by Celestial. No good. 37-31. 37-33.
1 minute 35.
Reyes. 3 points. Another 3 by Janry Reyes. 37-36. That is offensive foul.
1 minute 10.
Reyes. Same ball.
1 minute 6.
Foul.
First personal foul, jersey number 0.
Basket 37 all. Last throw. 2 out of 2. 38-37. Balik sa Lanet ang Abanse.
1 minute.
Basket.
50 seconds.
Recibita for 2. 39-38. Balabago.
40.
Reyes.
10 to shoot. 30.
Steal.
25.
Magno. No good.
20 seconds.
Wow.
4, 10,
3 points by
Reyes again,
Reyes.
3 points from
A
Reyes.
3-pointer by Reyes.
Reyes.
time expired.
That's the end.
And in the second quarter,
41-39.
score change favor.
Lanet.
41-39. Team Lanet.